Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create string variable in Python. So if you want to create a string variable in Python, you just have to write the name of the variable. I'm going with this disk equals to and then you have to write the statement, the statement. So I'm going with compound interest. Okay, and then I'm going to print the variable. Now click on run, and here is the variable. So in this way you can assign you can create string variable in Python. You can use these two signs. Also you can also use double quotation marks if you want. Okay, let me try. My keyboard is not working, so I'm going with okay. Now click on run. So you can assign or create a string variable by using single quotation mark or double quotation mark. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.